takeoff. You're at Hilton Head.
Piedmont 4832's 3 miles out.
Piedmont 4832 in sight, continue.
Continuing.
Speed's alive.
Cherokee 2317 Mike, cross runway 21 there, join Foxtrot.
17 Mike, crossing 21, joining Foxtrot.
Piedmont 4832, runway 3, clear to land. Traffic's at Cherokee crossing the departure end prior to your arrival, no factor.
Clear to land, runway 3, Piedmont 4832.
I'll repeat. Flaps up. Flaps alive.
Hilton Head tire, Cirrus 358 Tango Fox is turning left for about a 4-mile final.
Cirrus 8 Tango Fox, roger, continue, report a 2-mile final.
Report a 2-mile final for 8 Tango Fox.
Hilton Head ground, SIG fuel requesting transit to main terminal when you can squeeze me in.
Yeah, just sit tight for a couple minutes, SIG fuel.
No problem, I'm here.
Okay, we have been cleared to land. We're left base, heading into Hilton Head.
November is 8408 Lima, you're going to have to file yourself, or I'll just give you a frequency. You've got too much going on right now to put it in. What's your direction of flight? Alright, what altitude are you looking for?
500.
November 08 Lima, runway 3, taxi via Alpha. Cirrus 5 November Delta, turn left at the end via Foxtrot, taxis, remain this frequency.
Alright, left on Foxtrot at the end, 65 November Delta on this frequency.
Roger, and then hold short of runway 3 on Foxtrot.
Roger, hold short of 3 on Foxtrot, 65 November Delta.
Alright, gas, undercarriage is down and locked, mixture prop, and seatbelt.
Hilton Head, good morning. Challenger 902 Bravo Whiskey's with you. We're about 3.5 out for runway 3.
Challenger 902 Bravo Whiskey, Hilton Head Tower, roger, continue, report about a 2-mile final for me here. I'm going to try to get one out before you. I don't know if it's going to work.
Oh, sir, we'll square the turn. We're about 3 out.
All right, then report established on final. That'll help me out. I'm going to try to get a king air out ahead of you.
Roger.
There's 2 Charlie Bravo. You going northeast?
2 Charlie Bravo, yes sir, we're on the signature ramp.
You want to go to signature, south end. Okay, make a left left at the end and follow the other Cirrus, hold short of runway 3, remain this frequency.
2 Charlie Bravo will turn left at the end, taxi by the other Cirrus on Foxtrot and hold short of runway 3.